In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the PayPal Connector app in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through the entire process from finding the app to installing it, connecting your PayPal account, and setting up the key settings so your transactions flow into QuickBooks the way you want them to. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account as you normally would. From the left-hand menu, look for the Apps section and click on it. Then choose Find Apps. In the search bar at the top, type PayPal Connector by QuickBooks, or you can search for Connect to PayPal. You're looking for the official connector that integrates PayPal directly with QuickBooks Online. Once you've found the correct app, click on it to open the details page. Here, you'll usually see an overview of what the app does and some reviews. When you're ready, select the option that says Get App Now. QuickBooks will then prompt you to confirm which company file you want to install it on. Make sure you choose the correct company, especially if you have access to more than one, because the app will sync data into that specific file. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. After the app is installed, QuickBooks will guide you through connecting your PayPal account. You'll see a button to sign in to PayPal. Click that, and you'll be taken to a secure PayPal login page. Enter your usual PayPal credentials, and then review the permissions that PayPal is asking you to grant to QuickBooks. These permissions allow QuickBooks to import your transactions and related data. Once you're comfortable with that, approve the connection so the two systems can communicate. Next, you'll configure the settings that control how your PayPal data appears in QuickBooks. Start by choosing which PayPal account you want to sync if you have more than one. Then, select a PayPal bank account in QuickBooks. Many people either choose an existing PayPal bank account or create a new one so PayPal activity is kept separate and easy to reconcile. You'll also choose a deposit account, which is the bank account where you move money from PayPal, such as your main business checking account. Decide how far back you want to bring in historical data, up to 2 years, keeping in mind that more history means more transactions to review. Finally, choose whether you want auto-sync turned on so transactions are added automatically, or whether you prefer to review them first. Pick the option that best matches how closely you like to oversee your bookkeeping.